Okay, this is the floors have been sanded down to bare wood, Gores, frontal parlor, second floor, 1,200 square feet. Floors have been sanded down to bare wood. Now they need to be treated for the termites, and then after the termites treatment, we will screen down with an 80 grit. We will sand with an 80 grit sand, big machine, and then we will buff with an 100 grit or 180 grit buffer, and then we will be ready to stain the floor. So we have sanded down now to bare wood, 1,200 square feet, Gore, second floor, funeral parlor. We're going into the kitchen area that has been sanded down to bare wood and now ready for treatment of the infestation of the termites. Bathroom, second bathroom, hallway, vestibule, entrance of second floor, other room that still needs to be done. We still have to finish in this closet area. That was the color. So we'll finish that in 20 minutes or so. Done.